Hello and welcome to Online Education 8. In this video we are going to unbox and review with Neteller Mastercard. Basically, if you have an account and your account located in Europe, then you are able to get Neteller virtual or physical Mastercard. So this is the physical Mastercard and we are going to unboxing this card, and after that we will active our card in our account. Okay, so basically this video topics actually how to active your Neteller Mastercard. If you have an Neteller account which is located in Europe, then I told you are able to get virtual and physical Mastercard. So after receiving your physical Mastercard, we need to active your card by going your account. So now we need to unpack this parcel. Okay, so this is the card and this is the pack. So this is the back side and this is the front side. Okay, this is the front side. Now we need to unpack this pack also. So okay, so this is the Net Plus card. Okay, so this is the instruction. First, Net Plus logo, then how can you active your card, the activation process, and lastly the card. Okay, so this is the Neteller Mastercard, and first this is the card number, expire date, and this is the Mastercard logo. So you can use this card in your ATM booth to withdraw your Neteller fund over the world where Neteller does not offer their services also. Okay, so this is the front side and this is the back side, and this is the CVC number 120, and this is the Neteller Prepaid Card, and this is the expire date 6/22. Okay, now we are going to active our card in our computer. So let's go to the computer. Okay, to active our Neteller Physical Mastercard, we need to log in our account first. I'm already logged in my account. Then you need to click on the Net Plus card option. I'm clicking here. So here is two options, number 1 physical card and number 2 virtual card. So this video topics is how we can active our physical Mastercard. Okay, so you can see here already active button already available because we have ordered our card and we have also received our card. Now we are going to active our card. Okay, so we need to click here. I'm clicking here. So this is the second option. Here you need to input your card number and your CVV. Okay, after inputting our card number and security code, that means CVV. Okay, after inputting the card number and security code, that means CVV, incorrectly, then you need to click on the active my card button. Okay, so here is the message, your card has been successfully activated and your PIN number is also highlighted here. Okay, It's not your auto generate pin. Actually this pin code you generate it when you order your card. So this is the process to active your Net Plus card, actually Net Plus Prepaid Mastercard, which is physical, and you can withdraw your Neteller fund from ATM booth with this Mastercard. With this ATM Mastercard over the world where Neteller is not supported or where Neteller does not offer their services. In the same time, if you are from outside of European Economic Area, then you can contact with us to buy Neteller prepaid card with account. It's very reliable price. You can check the price in our website. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any question about Neteller Physical Mastercard, then you can leave your question in our comment section. And if you are in our channel, then please subscribe us. Your subscription will inspire us to make new videos about new payment gateways. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.